In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from BlockDag X1 and explain why it's currently not possible. So if you're trying to withdraw your BDAG tokens right now, this is important to know. At the moment, withdrawals are not available. The reason for this is that BDAG tokens are still on the test net and the mainnet has not launched yet. Because of that, the tokens are non-transferable, which means you cannot withdraw or send them to another wallet right now. Until the mainnet officially goes live, there is no way to withdraw money from BlockDag X1. What you should do instead is make sure your KYC is fully completed inside the app. Open the BlockDag app, go to the KYC section, and submit all required personal details and identity documents. This step is very important so your account is ready once withdrawals are enabled. After that, continue daily mining. Open the app every day and activate your mining session every 24 hours to keep earning BDAG tokens. Staying active now will help you accumulate more tokens before the mainnet launch. Once the BlockDag mainnet goes live and an official announcement is made, withdrawals will be enabled and you'll be able to withdraw your BDAG tokens. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.